Shall we start now? Already 5 minutes passed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you free at 11 o'clock? Are you all free at 11 o'clock or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay then. How many of you could not submit your lab copy yesterday? How many students are there in this class? How many students?
I couldn't submit.
How many students are there? 82?
Yes, ma'am.
82 or 84? 82 or 84? Let me check whether they have updated in. Hello? ତମେ ଜୟକୁ ଫୋନ କର ମୋର ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ 11:20 ରୁ 12:20 କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଅଛି। Oh, it is not updated till now. I think 82, those who have not submitted, they will face problem. They will lose 5 marks. Those who have not submitted, they will face problem actually. Only 78 responses are there. I think one of the student have submitted to me directly because he could not submit. Premchandra Bharti.
I sent on your Gmail, ma'am.
Yes, but how to handle this one, I do not know. How to put in the same file. It is difficult for me. Because here all the experiments are there in the single folder. I do not know how to put in the same folder.
And yesterday I messaged on your WhatsApp that due to server problem I couldn't able to ma'am submit.
So what you did?
Nothing.
What you did then?
Ma'am, then you didn't reply anything, so I couldn't.
So
do it.
it is not possible to always check my WhatsApp, na? So you do one thing. You send to my Kit email ID.
Okay, ma'am.
And I do not know how to handle the situation because it is really difficult. I'll talk to Manoj sir because he will check your copies. I will not check. He will check. So I have to talk to him. For this time only, I'll send to his email. And I do
Thank
not
you.
know. I'll just tell him what we'll do. That will combinedly. I'll tell the things. So Subham, you do one thing. You just send the copy to my official email ID. rsahu@fch.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Then 78 I already got. One Premchandra Bharti has sent and Subham will send now. So 80. Another 2 students still they have not submitted.
Can you please
tell the roll number?
Yes, Aryan. Now who is talking?
Ma'am, 78.
78. Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am, I have submitted now.
Oh, I'm not talking that who have submitted. I'm only talking that who could not submit. That's the thing.
So, ma'am, you told my name like 78 roll number.
No, I told that 78 students have submitted.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
And you people are not listening properly. Why you have not submitted, Ritik? Or you are traveling? You are the person who is traveling from Guwahati, like Odisha to Guwahati, or from Guwahati to Odisha? You are the one, isn't it? हेलो से जो सर जो हुआ हाँ आज्ञा गुड मॉर्निंग मो लैब को पठे दियंतु मोर एबे गोटे क्लास चली तो 11:20 to 12:20 तो मु से मोस्ट नहीं लैब 1 नो एक्चुअली So new students came to my lab. Actually, they are not able to find it out. So security have called me. He is telling that you send someone so that they will go. Otherwise, they will just enter here and there. Okay. So anyway, so like 2 or 3 students have not submitted. So they have to submit. Otherwise, they will lose 5 marks in each of the experiments. If anybody is not able to submit, then they will. Acha, one thing, can you do one thing, Subham? Subham and Premchandra,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
try once now. I have opened it. Just try it once.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yes, I have opened. Just try once. Otherwise, he will not understand and he will cut your marks.
Okay, ma'am.
You just try once. I have already opened accepting. So you just try it once. If it is working, then it's fine.
No, ma'am. Same problem.
What problem it is showing?
Ma'am, server problem.
So it is your problem. It is not from our side.
Ma'am, just shows that server rejected.
It is open in front of you. See how the servers will. How many times you have submitted this one, or for the first time you were trying to submit?
Yes, ma'am. This is my first time.
Okay, do one thing. Have you submitted? Have you sent to my email ID? Have you submitted to my email ID? Have you sent to my email ID?
I'm sending, ma'am.
Or you please submit, send. Or for Premchandra Bharti, I'm trying from my side.
मैम मेरा भी नहीं जा रहा है ईमेल.
तुम्हारा क्यों नहीं जा रहा है वो भी मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. क्यों सबका जा रहा है तो तुम्हारा क्यों नहीं जा रहा है?
अपलोडेड हो ही नहीं रहा मैम.
अरे इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम होगा आपका.
अपलोडिंग में होता है लेकिन अपलोडेड होता.
You just wait, one thing, I'll just save as, download. What is your name? 20211025. Okay, let me try from my side. do one thing. Questions. Tell your name. Name Chandra Bharti. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number.
811 2105 811.
21.
811
Roll number.
811.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How to upload your file?
Ma'am, you are just making the form. This is not filling the form.
Then how to? Acha. Okay. Okay. Yes. At least, actually, he will not understand and he will cut the marks. 2021 lab. Where is the form? This one I have to work on. This one. Oh. Tell me your roll number again. Ramchandra Bharti, tell me your roll number again.
811 2105 811. मैम भारती में मैम BH के बाद R होगा मैम, A लिख दिया आप.
एक मिनट. प्रेमचंद्रा भारती कहाँ पे क्या होगा?
BH के बाद R होगा मैम, A नहीं होगा.
भारती.
BH A मैम, R के बाद A, सॉरी मैम, R के बाद A नहीं होगा.
Is it okay?
यस मैम. मैम जो आपका अपलोडिंग हुआ ना मैम, वही मेरा नहीं होता है, अपलोडेड होता ही नहीं है, वहीं पे रुक जाता है.
See, it is uploaded. Okay.
ओके मैम. अब मेरा वहीं पे रुक जा रहा था, अपलोडिंग हो ही ना रहा
ठीक है, अभी छोड़ो, लेकिन हमेशा मैं नहीं करूंगी, आपको करना है, ये प्रॉब्लम आपका सॉल्व करना है अपने आप से. सो नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट शुभम have you sent to me? Shubham, if anyone is not responding, then I will not submit. It is not my job. Shubham, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I sent
Where?
on your KitML ID.
It has not come to my email ID. See, it is also, I have also shared that screen.
Ma'am, it may be network problem. Wait for some minutes, ma'am, please.
Otherwise, you send to my WhatsApp.
Ma'am, refresh the mail.
हाँ तो WhatsApp में थोड़ा इजी होता है ना मिलना, नेटवर्क जब इश्यू होता है. आप लोग का ना मतलब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि फर्स्ट ईयर हो, पहला एक्सपेरिमेंट ठीक है, मैं देख लूंगी, लेकिन हमेशा इट इज डिफिकल्ट, इट इज जस्ट वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम। शुभम, आप व्हाट्सएप में भी डाल दो, ये इजी होगा, व्हाट्सएप में आना इजी होगा, क्योंकि अभी
Okay,
तक
ma'am.
नहीं
Okay.
नहीं आया।
मैम व्हाट्सएप पे भी एंड मेल पे भी।
व्हाट्सएप में शायद आया, हाँ मैं बोली हूँ ना व्हाट्सएप में आ जाएगा। अच्छा, अक्टूबर 25, याद रखना अपना डॉक्यूमेंट का नाम। एक्सपेरिमेंट
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, I have to change the setting again. Tell me your name.
Shubham.
Only Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number
210 5834
210.
5834.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your file? October 25th, 2021.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This time I have helped, but no, next time I won't help you. You have to solve your own problem. So now I'll restrict, limit to one response. Okay, so 80 students have submitted. Another two, if they are present here, they please try to. If you are here now, then I'll help you. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Because from my side also, once you will know that it is done, then you will start checking. Okay, so this part is over. I hope most of the students have submitted, and now I'll close the laboratory part, and now we'll focus for your theory part. Okay. If we'll keep this one in one page, we'll write in one like whiteboard, then it will be easier later on. We'll make a PDF and I'll share with you all. So last time I think this question we have already discussed. Okay. Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll proceed further to touch other topics. I think I have already explained you entropy change in a reversible process in the last class, entropy change in an irreversible process, and then entropy change accompanying different process involving ideal gas system when temperature and volume are variable and when temperature and pressure are also variable. So last expression for temperature and entropy change. Okay, just a minute. Entropy change when pressure, temperature and okay. So here already we have discussed del S is equal to change in entropy is equal to 2.303 NCP log T2 by T1 plus 2.303 NR log P2 by P1. So this was this was the final expression for change in entropy.
Well, it was P1 by P2.
P1 by P2.
Yes, ma'am.
With that,
Ma'am, it's P1 by P2, not P2
yes, it is P1 by P2. Okay, so now we'll discuss different cases for this expression. For an isothermal process, isothermal process means T is equal to 0, delta T is equal to 0, change in temperature is equal to 0. So del S is equal to 2.303 NR log how much? P1 by P2. So already we know that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Can I write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I can write this one 2.303 NR log V2 by V1. So when the question is on, like when the question will be formulated, when pressure, in an isothermal process, sorry, then you have to, if volume is given in the question, then accordingly you have to solve the question. Otherwise, if its pressure is given, then accordingly you will solve the question. Okay? Do you have any doubt up to this? Do you have any doubt up to this? So next we'll discuss case 2. For isobaric process. Isobaric means
Pressure constant.
so there is no change in pressure. Del P is equal to 0. So what will happen? Del S is equal to 2.303 NCP log T2 by T1. What will happen in isochoric process? For isochoric process,
Del V zero.
del V is equal to 0. So what is what will be the final expression? 2.303 Then CP log T2 by T1. Okay? Okay, so now we'll solve some numericals based on the final expression. Is it fine or do you have any doubts? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll try to solve some of the numericals based on the final expression. Oh. So it is 10 moles of a monoatomic gas, 10 moles of a monoatomic ideal gas expands reversibly from temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure to a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius and 0.5 atmospheric pressure. Find the change in entropy. Okay, so 10 moles of a monoatomic ideal gas expands reversibly from temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure to a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius and 0.5 atmospheric pressure. So can you calculate the entropy change in this system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1.38 joule.
How much?
1.38 joule.
No. 1 point?
1.38.
No, 57.44 joule per Kelvin.
Ma'am, then it will be some calculator issue.
What is the formula you put?
Ma'am, there are 2.303 into N into Cp into log T2 by T1.
प्लस 2.303 and R log P1 by P2 भी होगा ना?
Yes, that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
correct.
Ma'am, why the
2.303 NR log V2 by V1. Because it is the isothermal case.
Isothermal case delta T should be zero.
टेम्परेचर तो चेंज हो ही रहा है ना. फिर आइसोथर्मल
टेम्परेचर चेंज हो रहा है ना?
मैम P1 by P2 वाला फॉर्मूला यूज होगा शायद से.
normal formula लगा?
मैं वो नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला जो है
Normal
जो उसमें
formula लगेगा ना?
T2 by T1 है और P1 by
आप
P2.
ये नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला डालो. Del S is equal to 2.303 NCP log T2 by T1.
प्लस
वो
2.
कैलकुलेटर में error आ रहा है.
P1 by P2 भी लगेगा आपको. यहाँ पे कुछ मतलब इग्नोर नहीं किया जाएगा क्योंकि ना आइसोथर्मल है. वही
हाँ वही.
नहीं, ये आपका जो जनरल फॉर्मूला डाल दो.
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा.
टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर बोथ आर वेरिएबल फॉर्मूला डालो. Okay, when temperature
Ma'am, what is the
and pressure
answer?
both are variables. Yes, Dibansi.
What is the answer?
57.44 joule per Kelvin.
मैम Cp का वैल्यू क्या लेंगे हम लोग?
Yes, ma'am, I got.
What is that?
मैम Cp का वैल्यू क्या लेंगे? 5 by 2.
3 by 2 R.
Thank you.
Cp is 5 by 2 R.
I also got the answer, ma'am.
You got the answer?
Yeah.
Share in the group. Otherwise, you can share your screen so that other students can check. How many students got the answer? Okay. So, anybody can share your screen. Take the snapshot, put in the take the snapshot and share the screen. Any of you, please take the snapshot and show in the screen. possible to share or not? Or any of you please share in the group. I'll share in the share that particular screen. Dipyansi. In B5 group, any of you please share. Is it visible to all of you? Oh. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So here is the answer, Shubham.
Next page. Ma'am, I also said next page also.
Acha. So everybody please check that next page. I will also share with you all.
Ma'am, what is the answer?
57.44. Quickly you complete it. Next question, one of the question will solve. Then next topic we'll discuss. Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Ravi.
Ma'am, since SI unit of entropy is joules per Kelvin, so
Yes.
why we have taken here log T2 by T1 in Celsius? Because
No,
then
we will not take it. It should be Kelvin. He has to add 273 with that one.
Ma'am, 323 by 2.
323 divided by 298 आएगा.
Won't be 2 log 2. It won't be log 2. It will be
Yes,
1.
केल्विन में होगा. अपने यूनिट प्रॉब्लम होगा नहीं तो R का वैल्यू भी केल्विन. Because R value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin. So every unit should have uniformity. Yes, you are correct, Ravi.
So, ma'am, in the answer, the one who sent the answer.
See,
in his answer,
whatever the answer will be, it's fine. Because I am directly I have given that problem from the book. I have not checked. So whatever the answer is coming, that I'll accept if all the steps are correctly done. Okay. So don't worry for the answer. Please try to try to do all the steps correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
That is my suggestion.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't try to match with the final answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you will do wrong things. If the book, because the books has written by someone, and if he has done the mistake, then we are also following the mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't worry, if it is not matching, it's fine, but we have to follow the procedure correctly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, so another one question. Next question we'll discuss, then we'll discuss entropy of mixing. 2 moles of monoatomic ideal gas expands from temperature of you could solve this question. Next class we'll discuss entropy of mixing. Quickly solve this question.
3.45 Joule.
How much?
3.45 Joule.
3.45. What was the formula you have taken? Del S is equal to 2.303
So NR log V2 by V1.
V2 by V1. So 2.303 N value how much? 2. 8.314 into
Okay.
log.
Okay.
How much V2? 4 by 2. Is it?
Ma'am, 11 point something.
Yes, so whatever the answer you will get after putting all these values.
Ma'am, it will be
Ma'am, it's
11.5.
11.5.
11.63.
Anyway, so 11.5
11.5.
and 11.63. There is not much difference, so anything is acceptable. Okay. So this one, the first question, let us discuss. Another 10 minutes is there. So it is del S. The question number 1. The answer for this question, I think 1, 2. So for 2, this one. So question number 1, how many students could not solve? Or everybody solved? Everybody solved, or how many students could not solve? Shall we discuss or not? Chaman,
Ma'am, discuss.
Kumar.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
change in
discuss
first.
it.
Ma'am, we have to first change in Kelvin, then we have to solve now.
I didn't get you.
Ma'am, first we have to change in Kelvin, then we have to solve.
Yes, it is easy. Just add 273.
Ma'am, solve. Ma'am, can you please solve it?
Ma'am, discuss the
Yes,
question,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Discuss the question.
Yes, ma'am, solve it.
Okay. Answer for question number 1. Okay. So, you know the relation del S is equal to, let me check, 2.303, 2.303 NCP log T2 by T1 plus 2.303 NR log P1 by P2, because in the question it is given that the monoatomic gases expands reversibly from temperature. So there are one temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, another one is 50 degrees Celsius. One temperature 25 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and the pressure was 1 atmosphere, and it has been changed to 0.5 atmosphere. Okay, so this one can be written as 273 plus 25. How much? It is now 298 Kelvin. Okay, and this one is 273 plus 50. So how much it is?
323.
323.
323. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And we know that for monoatomic gases, Cp is equal to 5 by 2R and Cv is equal to 3 by 2R. R is the gas constant here. R is the gas constant, and that value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin. Okay. So now I think if we put all the values in the formula, then we can get the answer. So it will be del S is equal to how many? 2 moles or 10 moles? What was in the question?
10 moles.
10 moles.
So N is equal to 10 moles. So we'll write 10. So because N can be taken common, so 10 into 2.303 n. What should I write in case of CP? N, huh?
5 by 2.
5 by
2.303
into 5 by 2r.
into 5 by 2 into 8.314 into log T2 is how much? 323 divided by 298. Sorry. Oh, this bracket should not be closed here. Plus, because 10 I have taken common. So plus 2.303. What is the value of 2.303 into R? 8.314 into log. What is the value of P1 here?
1.
1 by 0.5. I think all the values are put here in the equation. I think you can solve it and finally you can get the answer.
Ma'am,
Can
getting
you do it or not?
74.38.
How much, if whatever you will get, that is the answer. If you have done in this way, then you will definitely get the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am, I was telling the same.
Is it okay for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it difficult?
That's the log 23 by 298 part is quite difficult. Otherwise, it is simple.
Log 1.
Understand.
And it will came across 576 point something.
570?
6 point something.
Whatever the answer, let's see. If you put all the values correctly and you will calculate correctly, whatever the answer will come, definitely that will be correct. That's it. I'm trying to tell you that follow the correct procedure. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So next class I'll discuss entropy of mixing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, miss. Are you telling by mistake? Okay, no problem. So next class I'll discuss entropy of mixing because in this short time period it is difficult to teach. Only 2 minutes time is left. So if you have anything to discuss with me, you can discuss. From my part, it is over for today's class. So students, I have to ask some few questions. Is the experiment in your lab class, is it difficult or it is okay? You can manage.
It is okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is okay, but ma'am, can you extend the time period of submission? Like up to 3 can we submit?
No. Actually, I'm trying to tell you, your lab is 11 to 2.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
3 hours lab. So if we are trying to call the students to the campus. If they will be habituated with another 1 hour late, then they cannot complete in time.
Okay.
When, ma'am?
Yes, that's why we are trying to keep the students. Now we are trying to habituate with that within 3 hours they will complete everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If some time technical issues there are.
Technical issue, see, 3 hours time. It is not a small time period. Only half an hour to 45 minutes I'm explaining the theory part. And he is also completing within 2 hours. Everything is completed. Another 1 hour is enough. Only do for the calculation part only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shwas. Actually, everything you will write beforehand. Only the table and calculation part you will do on that particular day.
So, ma'am, you will send the data one day or 2 days before.
How will send the data without knowing the
No, ma'am,
procedure, without
not
knowing the
the-
principle?
No, ma'am, not the observation data and all. Like the other things, the topic about what we have to write.
All the manuals I have already sent to you. I think before 2 weeks.
Okay.
Everybody have the manual. If you do not have, then you please take from your friends. It is already shared in the group and you can check that.
Okay, ma'am.
And if at all you are not getting from anywhere, then you please contact me. I'll send in my time. Okay, when I'm free, I'll send it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please do everything beforehand so that on that particular day you will do only the calculation and you will write the conclusion. So you will have enough time to submit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye for now. Let's meet tomorrow. I think tomorrow you have a class.
Ma'am, attendance.
Attendance
No,
have
ma'am.
already
No,
collected.
ma'am, tomorrow no class.
Yes. In Google Classroom there is an extension app. With that, all the students, those who are will be listed. And later on, I'll update in SAP. Okay?